Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is the Samsung A7 2018 unboxing and quick review. Thanks to 3C Hub for sending me this review unit and we will be giving this one away. More details on how to win at the end of this video. On the box we have some of the specs on the back. When we open the box we are greeted with the device all neatly wrapped in plastic. Let's go ahead and peel all of it to review that beautiful shiny blue color, which is a heavy fingerprint magnet though. In the bottom compartment, you have a quick start guide and warranty card. You also get a transparent gel case. It fits snugly and should help a little to hide those fingerprint smudges. You get a charger with 5V 1.55 amp cause quick charging isn't supported. You have a micro USB cable, a SIM ejector tool, and earphones. On the front you have a 6-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display with 1080 by 2220 resolution, which makes it an 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio. On top of that display, you have a 24 megapixel camera with flash and a speaker. On the back, you have a triple camera configuration, a 24 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 5 megapixel lens for depth sensing with flash. On the left you have a tray that houses two 4G LTE ready nano SIMs and an SD card that can hold up to 512GB of additional storage. On the right you have the volume keys and a power button that doubles up as a fingerprint reader. On the top you have a microphone, and on the bottom you have a speaker, a second microphone, a micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The A7 2018 sports a glass back and plastic frame. It's extremely reflective under direct sunlight, which can mimic the famous twilight color, in the blue variant at least. The Super AMOLED display is brilliant and the colors just pop right at you. You don't get super thin bezels, but what you do have is a bunch of customization settings to suit your liking, like screen mode, which gives you full control of the color range, saturation and sharpness of your display. You also get blue light filter, which is great for nighttime reading. You get notification settings to rearrange the keys, plus you have an option to use swipe gestures instead. The screen on this guy is pretty responsive for typing and there's a screen protector already applied. You have a couple of pre-installed fonts to choose from and you can download some more if you wish to. The A7 2018 ships with Samsung's Experience UI 9.0 on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. It's very smooth, though it has some bloatware that cannot be deleted, and if you're a Samsung user, you know what to expect. First thing I noticed was that the quick settings was missing a few options that are useful, like screenshot and screen record. The A7 2018 comes in a few storage options, and what I have has 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM. To keep things running smoothly, it uses Samsung's own Exynos 7885 octa-core CPU clocked at 2.2 GHz and Mali G71 GPU. I played PUBG on this guy and I'll be doing a separate video about it. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is somewhat awkward to reach and takes a second to unlock. The face unlock is reliable in broad daylight but not so much with indoor lighting. It is all powered by a 3300 mAh battery, which should last you through a full day of medium use. I got over 3 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time with 60% left to spare in spite of playing nearly 1 hour of PUBG. It takes about 2 hours and 20 minutes for a full charge. About the camera, on auto mode you get to choose between the primary shooter and the ultra wide angle lens. You have live focus mode, which takes portrait shots. You get scene optimizer, which uses AI to detect what you're shooting. It does pick up on a number of possible scenarios. It also records video in 1080p format and has EIS turned on in this footage. You also get the super slow motion mode. Here are some sample shots that I took. The Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is priced at 106,000 Naira and you can buy one at any 3C Hub store nationwide. We would be giving the A7 2018 review unit away, and to win, click the Gleam link in the description box and follow the instructions. That's it for my quick review. Notification Squad, if you wish to see a comparison with any other phone, do leave me a comment. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter or Instagram to see what I'm up to. And please subscribe to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.